Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration. Got a Mustang for you. A few of you might have seen it on the street over the years. This one was painted in 2006. This was before I was putting my logo on the back. In 2006 we painted this 94 Mustang Cobra. It's a real Cobra. We did it black, put the white ice in it. And I had airbrushed the Cobra on the side of the door for the gentleman. Did that one myself there. Not bad, not bad. You see he got the staggered 20s on it. Got it sitting nice. But yeah, this one was painted in 2006. Here it is, 2011. The gentleman definitely takes care of the car. The reason it's here today is because a rock chipped the front bumper. When he was driving, someone kicked the rock up. So we had to sand that down and take care of the front bumper. Sand it down, rebase it, put the ice in it, and re-clear it. We also did the front seats where he wanted the Cobra embroidered in the seats. That was also done in 06. As y'all can see, the gentleman takes excellent care of this vehicle. The rims also went on the car in 06. So the car looks just like this. He keeps it in storage. He drives it on the weekend, some weekends. He told me he put about maybe 100 to 200 miles on it a month, if that. Y'all see it. '94 Mustang Cobra. Painted it back in 2006. Brought it in for a touch up on the bumper where a rock chipped the paint. Cobra airbrushed on both doors. Cobra embroidered in both front seats. Not bad for a 5-year-old paint job. John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277. Give us a call if you need something done. And remember, we also are doing government and military financing, E1 and up. So give us a call about the details on that. And we finance the paint job, interior, and other accessories for the vehicle. Once again, this is Big John, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277.